guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tudora and this is Tudora's Corner. This is my sister.
Hi, I'm Lara.
Today we're gonna make my uncle's whole grain bread. I measured all the ingredients. The measurements are down in the description below. We're now gonna pour white wheat flour. There you go. Now we're gonna pour whole grain wheat flour. And now we're gonna pour whole grain rye flour. Lara, give me the yeast. Now we're gonna pour in the yeast. Now we're gonna mix it. Careful mix it to not get the flour out of the bowl. Now I mix all the flour in yeast. Lara, pour in the sunflower.
Okay.
Now give me the sesame seeds. Now give me the pumpkin seeds. Now, give me the caraway. Now give me the flax. Now give me the Himalayan salt. Now we're gonna mix the flour, all the seeds, and salt. Mix, mix, mix. Mix and mix until everything is all mixed together. It looks so interesting. Now Lara, put the water.
Okay.
Put all the water. Okay.
And be careful.
Now we're gonna mix all of the water and then we're gonna mix with our hands. Mix just a little bit. Now we're gonna get this up and mix it with our hands. It will take some time to mix everything to be a dough. Yeah. A little bit sticky. Oh my goodness, it's sticky.
Ooh, sister, it's done.
Yeah, it's done. Now that we have this dough, let's roll it into a ball. Now we're going to put it in foil. Hold this.
Okay.
Now you put it in the foil, give me the cloth. Set this to grow for 30 minutes. "30 minutes have passed. Now we're going to take off the cloth. Look at how the dough has been ground. It's so grown fast. Now we're going to mix it a little bit. Now we're going to roll it to make the bread. Now I did it. Does it look like a bread? Yes, it is. We're going to put the bread in here on the baking paper. Get foil. Okay, sister. You're a good helper. That's it. Now, wait more 30 minutes to let this grow. Now my uncle's bread is baked. Now show it. Wow, it looks so good. Let's take off now the tentacles. So this,
It was so satisfying.
yeah, this is a big piece. So just see a little bit closer. It's so squishy and soft and can last like for 3 or 4 days. And it's so good. This is it for now, guys. Tomorrow's a new day.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, don't forget, my channel name is Sidori's Corner. Bye.